Welcome to the Applications Platform training videos from Codeless Platforms. Here are the objectives and approximate running time for this video. In the previous video, we edited the inventory accounts and catalog item pages using the Design This Page functionality. We also inserted view-related records components into those pages. We will continue our training by adding additional date and formula fields and creating field validations. Okay, we will begin by adding additional date fields to the order object. Click the Orders tab, and in the drop-down menu, select Object Definition. Now click the Fields option and select New Field. Select the date field type and click Next. In the Order New Field page, enter the following details: field label, order date, integration name, order_date. OK, now click the Save button. Select All Orders in the Views section. Now click the Save and New button. We will now create another field with the following details: field type, date, and click Next. Now enter the following values: field label, ship date, integration name, ship_date. OK, now click the Save button. In the Add to Pages and View section, select All Orders. Let's click Save, and we will return to the Object Order page. We will now add a formula field to the Order object. Select the Fields option and click the New Formula Field button. Let's enter the following details: field label, days to ship, return type, integer. In the formula field, either type the following or copy and paste from the Training Resources document. We can check the syntax of the formula by selecting the Validate Formula button. A Debug Formula button is available to pinpoint any syntax problems. Once the formula syntax check has passed, click the Save button. Now select All Orders in the View section and click the Save button. Let's return to the Classic Guitars application. We will now add field validations to order date and ship date fields. From the Orders tab, select Object Definition. Now click the Fields option and find the order date field entry in the list of fields. OK, select the validation link. In the formula area, enter the following code. As before, check to see if the syntax is valid. Once the formula syntax check has passed, click the Save button. OK, now click Fields and find the ship date entry in the list of fields. Now select the validation link. In the formula area, enter the following code. Once again, check to see if the syntax is valid. If the formula syntax check has passed, click the Save button. OK, let's click on the Return to Classic Guitars link. Enter a new order, ensuring to enter dates into the order date and ship date fields. Now test the new validation logic by entering different dates into both these fields and observing the results. And that's it for this video. We have added additional date and formula fields and created field validations. In the next video, we will be adding an email template and enabling workflow on the order object and adding a send mail trigger. Thanks for watching.